Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Blocks. In this video I am to discuss Oracle coding question, and the question is modify variable names. Now the problem statement you are given a string that represents the variable name. It may be C++ variable or Java variable, okay. And they said that C++ variable C++ variable contain an underscore, okay, but they give it one constant, and the constant is the Java variable does not contain an underscore, okay. So remember this point, Java variable does not contain an underscore, and C++ variable contain an underscore, okay. Remember this point. Now the input. So our task is to convert a C++ variable into a Java variable, okay. So remember one thing, that if the variable name contain an underscore, that means the variable is C++ variable. Now check this input. This input contain an underscore, that means this is a C++ variable, okay. So we have to convert it into the Java variable, and Java variable does not contain an underscore. So we have to perform one thing. We have to remove this underscore, and as well as we have to convert this next character into next character are present at lowercase, so we have to convert it into uppercase. So we have to perform two tasks. First, remove the underscore, and number two, perform lowercase to uppercase. Now remember 2 point, when you convert a C++ variable to Java variable, if an underscore encountered, then in that case we have to remove that underscore in first step, and the second step we have to convert the next character from lowercase to uppercase, okay. These two tasks you have to perform. And now in case to Java to C++, when a Java variable, when you have to convert Java to C, in that case you have to check that when an uppercase character encountered, in that case that means, now check the input, this, and then after that capital I encountered, okay. When this capital character encountered, in that case we have to put an underscore, and thereafter we have to convert, first of all add underscore, and number two we have to convert uppercase to lowercase, okay. That means after that we have to convert its lower, okay. In this way, that means this and then capital I, so we have to convert it as underscore, then a small I, then S, and then capital A encountered, then in this case we have to put another underscore, and then small a, then capital V, that's why we have to add another underscore, and then small v, and then variable, okay. So in converting from Java to C, you have to perform you have to check that if a capital character encountered, in that case you have to add an underscore, and after that you have to convert uppercase to lowercase, okay. Now comes to coding part, okay. So to solve this problem, first of all we have to traverse our input string, and then we have to put two condition. First condition, we are checking that the string contain any underscore or not. If it is underscore, that means the variable is C++ variable, and we have to convert it into Java. And the second condition is if any character or any alphabet is uppercase alphabet, and as well and the string does not contain any underscore. If the input string does not contain any underscore, and the character and the string contain any uppercase character, in that case the variable is Java variable, and we have to convert it into C++, okay. So first of all we have to create a string that contains the result, okay. Now we have to traverse our input string. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. Now we have to put our first condition. If str dot character at of str dot character at of I double equals to underscore. If it is if any underscore encountered there, that means the variable is C++ and we have to convert it into Java. And to convert it Java, first of all we have to remove the input string. That means the underscore, we have to remove the underscore, so we are not adding this underscore to our resulting string. Okay, and the next character or the next alphabet must be converted into lowercase to uppercase. Okay, so character dot character to uppercase str dot character of at of I. Okay, so we have to convert it into lowercase to uppercase, not I, it's plus plus I. That means the next character. Okay, next character must be converted into uppercase, and we are not adding the underscore to our input string. Okay, and the next condition, else if, next condition is if any character is uppercase character, that means checking that character is uppercase. If any character is uppercase, that means str dot I, if the input string contain any uppercase and str and the input string does not contain any underscore, so str dot not equal to str dot contains okay any underscore. If the input string is if the input string does not contain any underscore and any character of that input string is in uppercase, in that case the variable is Java variable and we have to convert it into C++. So to convert it in C++, first of all we have to add a underscore to our resulting string. Okay, and after that we have to convert the our input character to lowercase. Okay, answer is equal to answer plus character dot to lowercase str dot character at of I. And inside the else loop we have to just add that means the character that are not that are not underscore and that are not uppercase, that means lowercase alphabet, and in that case we have just add them to the resulting string. Okay, str dot character at of I. And finally we have to return our inputs return our resulting string. Okay, return answer. Now we have to check our result. So we have to so input string the input string is this is okay, this is a variable. So this is a C++ variable and our resulting and our result is this is a variable, this is our Java variable, and input string is C++ variable. Okay, and one more thing, again we are checking output. Now I am giving our Java variable, input string is Java variable, and we are getting that this is our C++ variable. Okay, so that's all, and this is the solution.